Susan and I probably met in 1982, maybe 83, and we're friends the rest of our life.
She was everyone's best friend. Everybody loved her. No matter who met her, she made everybody feel very special, and she was a very inclusive person.
Everywhere we went, she collected people in the best sort of way.
Mom and I always had pretty deep conversations. We were just very open with each other. So while she was sick, she was very hopeful. That was always her outlook, always her mentality. Because without it, what do you have? I think for her, that was a way for her to help eliminate that stress of the diagnosis. Hope gave her something to grasp onto every day. It was something that she could actively think about, write about.
I think her mission in life was to give people hope and to make them happy. Even if, again, things weren't always hunky-dory in her life, it meant the world to her that it was in everybody else's. We think hope is what we're dealing with when you're going through the cancer diagnosis and the treatment. But what I've realized through Susan is that hope continues, but it continues in what she's left for all of us.
I think having hope just brings you joy. If you're hopeful and you've got gratitude and you're living your life in a positive way, it just produces an energy from the inside out that makes your daily life better. It makes you feel better, the people around you feel better. I think that the more hopeful you are, you shine brighter and live a better, happier life overall.